Find the GCF of three numbers with letters, part 2. Our first thing again will be to find the GCF of the number part of each term. So I'm going to write them down: 25, 30, and 20. Draw our L, upside down divide, and check what our first prime number is. So will 2 divide into every one of those numbers? Remember, it has to be common to all three numbers. So 25 divide 2. Well, that has shot down our 2 already. A decimal is not a whole number answer, so 2 is not one of our common factors. So we're going to try 3. Will 3 go into 25? 25 divide 3. And again, no. So we're going to disqualify the 3 and look at our 5. Will 25 be evenly divided by 5? 25 divide 5. And we get an answer of 5. So good so far. Let's keep going. Can we divide 30 by 5 and get a whole number answer? Yes, we can. Can we divide 20 by 5 and get a whole number answer? Yes. So we have found our first prime number, first piece of our GCF. So we're going to write our 5 down. 5 into 25 is 5. 5 into 30 is 6. And 5 into 20 is 4. Draw our upside down divide symbol. Will 5 go into 5? Clearly it will. Will 5 go into 6 with no remainder? Definitely not. So 5 is done. Our next prime is 7. Notice that 7 is larger than 5. Won't divide into 5 well. 7 is larger than 6. 7 won't divide into 6. And 7 is larger than 4. So, very similar to last time, our GCF, the number piece of our greatest factor that is common to all three, is 5. Now, to deal with the letters. Remember, to deal with the letters, we ask ourselves, what is the lowest power of each letter? That is what our GCF is in terms of letters. What is the lowest power of each letter? All right, so our first letter then is A. The 25 has an A to the third. The 30 has an A to the fourth, and the 20 has an A squared. So they do all have A. A is common, but the most that's common to all of them is what the 20 has. The 20 only has 2 A's multiplied together. So once we've accounted for those, even though the 25 had another A and the 30 had 2 more A's, the 20 is out of A's once we take the A squared. So our common factor in terms of the A is A squared. Each letter to its smallest power. Let's look at the B's. I'll change the color to keep things separate. 25 has a B squared. 30 has no B. And 20 has a B to the fourth. Each letter to the lowest power. Now, we've got a B squared and a B to the fourth. However, right here we have no B. That means B is not included in what's common to all three terms. So our GCF is done at 5A squared. 2 of the terms have B, but one of them has no B at all, so B is not included in the answer. If you want to see an example of factoring out the greatest common factor from a polynomial, click the video that you see popping up now.